Hi there friends, welcome back. Today in this video we'll see how estimate bill works. So open up your browser and after that click on the bookmark, enter your email ID, then password, then login and click on the cart. As we already discussed about the three types of billing, which is retail billing, distribution billing and manual billing. So today we'll see how estimate bill works. So click on the estimate bill. Here you can see the estimate billing is highlighted. Estimate billing is like some customer came to your shop and wants to buy some product and he just want to know the estimate price of the product so he can decide later how much he have to pay when he is going to buy the product. So this is just for giving an estimate bill to the customer. Some customer wants a ring, diamond ring, and he wants to buy 5 rings. And one more thing, you can see item stock out here. This is for you are just giving an estimate, so you don't have to click on this because you don't want this item to stock out from your store. When you check on this, the item will be stocked out from the store. So I'm unchecking it because I'm just giving an estimate bill to the customer, and after that click on the add item. So here you can see the total price of 5 rings are going to be 72,500 rupees. This is an just estimate bill. So when you click on this bill, you can see the bill here, and you can give this estimate bill to the customer, or you can email to the customer, or you can print it. I'm just cutting the bill, and this is how the estimate bill works. So this is the simple one. You can use the estimate bill for just giving an estimate to the customer. You don't have to stock out the items from your store. All the bills are completed: retail, distribution, manual and estimate bill. This is it for today. Thank you for watching and have a good day.